GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. In the central region of Ghana, we have Francis Sam ASEFUAH. Francis is a junior scientist from the Ghana National Basic Inclusive School. Sam will conduct an experiment to look at the sugar density layers in liquids. For this science practical, Sam needs 4 disposable cups, a red, blue, green, and orange food coloring, some sugar, a measuring cylinder. Now let's join Sam to observe his experiment. Density is the amount of substance in a volume of a liquid. For equal volumes, the greater the amount of substance, the higher the density.
First, I will pour different quantity of sugar into the 4 disposable cups. 1 spoonful of sugar, cup A. 2 spoonful of sugar, cup B. 3 spoonful of sugar, cup C. 4 spoonful of sugar, cup D. I will measure an amount of 20 milliliters of warm water and add to each disposable cup.
The warm water will ensure faster dissolution of the sugar. The amount of sugar in the volume of water will determine the density of the solution.
I will stir with a glass rod to make the solution uniformly dissolve.
Stirring also ensures faster sugar dissolution.
I will then add food colors to each solution and stir. I will measure the food color till it reaches the blue line on this container.
The food colors will help us notice the different layers that will be formed due to the density differences in the liquids.
I will measure an amount of 10 milliliters of this solution, then transfer it gently into the measuring cylinder. It can be observed that the solution with the highest quantity of sugar has dissolved at the bottom of the measuring cylinder, followed by the next, then to the orange, then to the red. It can be concluded that sugar density is different when dissolved in water.
The liquid with more sugar compared to the volume of the water was heavier than the rest. It will therefore settle at the lower part of the measuring cylinder.
This experiment can be applied using the submarine. This can operate by filling the tank of ballast when you want the density of the submarine to sink so that it can move under the sea or water. My name is Busuka Alexander. I'm the subject teacher for Ghana National Basic Inclusive School.
This is why dirty water separates into layers when left to stand. The same principle explains why blood separates into layers when spun. It's time for Juneos Practical STEM Quiz. Repeat this experiment, but this time, first pour liquids containing little sugar into the measuring cylinder before solutions containing a lot of sugar. What will be observed? A. The color bands will be arranged in the manner in which the solutions were poured. B. The color bands will be with solutions containing a lot of sugar at the bottom. C. The colors will mix. What do you think of Sam's experiment? Great, right? You should try this at home, either by yourself or with a friend from school. Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM.
You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at WeGoInnovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248.
Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.